Dive into the azure waters of Tahiti without the weight of packing mistakes. Let's unpack the top 5 blunders travelers make and how to smartly sidestep them. First up, the classic overpack. Tahiti's balmy breeze begs for a minimalist wardrobe. Think lightweight linen and cotton. Ladies, sundresses and shorts are your best friends, while gents can stay cool in casual shirts and shorts. And remember, space in your suitcase is sacred. Save it for those unique island treasures. Next, don't overlook local customs. Dress modestly at sacred sites and villages, and when the sun sets, a touch of smart casual elevates your dining experience. Embrace the island vibe with Polynesian patterns to show your cultural appreciation. Then there's the tech trap. Don't forget your passport, travel insurance, and a camera to capture paradise. Keep your devices juiced up with chargers and a portable power bank, and safeguard them with waterproof cases. Number 4, underestimating health and safety essentials. Arm yourself against the tropical sun with high SPF sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and UV protective sunglasses. And for those coral reef adventures, reef-safe sunscreen is a must. Lastly, respect Tahiti's temperamental skies. A lightweight rain jacket wards off surprise showers, while layering pieces combat cooler evenings. Don't let the weather catch you off guard. By avoiding these pitfalls, your Tahitian journey will be as serene as its lagoons. Pack smart, embrace the culture, and prepare for the elements. Ready for a stress-free tropical escape? Let Far and Away Adventures guide you to paradise. Book with the Tahiti Islands at Far and Away Adventures.